In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer a GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. Now, to kickstart this process, the first thing you do is unlock your domain. It's quite simple, just log into your GoDaddy account. When you're in, proceed to your domain portfolio. From this list, you would want to identify and select the specific domain you are interested in transferring. Once selected, search for the Transfer section. Within this section, you should find an option that reads Transfer to another registrar. Go ahead and click on this and simply follow the prompts. This step will effectively unlock your domain for transfer. The next action step is to turn off domain privacy. If you've got domain privacy enabled, it's crucial that you turn this off. Doing this ensures that your contact information can be seamlessly transferred to Hostinger without any hitches or difficulties. Moving on to the next step, we focus on getting the authorization code. You can find this in the same Transfer section where you unlocked your domain. Look for and click on an option that allows you to reveal and copy the authorization code. This code is also referred to as an EPP code. Once you copy it, note that GoDaddy will simultaneously send this code to your domain's administrative email address, just as a backup. We are now ready to initiate the transfer process. Log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the Domains section, under which you'll want to select Transfer Domain. When prompted, type in the specific domain you are transferring and hit Transfer. The next phase entails purchasing and completion of the process. You will be prompted to purchase the transfer at this stage. The purchase of the transfer includes a 1-year domain renewal service, so don't get startled by it. It's a package deal. After payment, Hostinger will ask you to enter the authorization code you obtained from GoDaddy earlier. We are now in the final stages of this process. Check your email for a confirmation from Hostinger. They will send this confirmation email to the administrative contact email address associated with your domain. Once you receive this email, you need to click the link embedded in the email to give your approval for the transfer. Now, this is where we exercise some patience. You have to give it a wait period. The transfer can take anywhere from 5 to 7 business days to fully process, although sometimes it is completed faster. As soon as the transfer process is done, you will be managing your domain through your Hostinger account. And voila, that's it. You have successfully transferred your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. It's easy once you take it step by step, isn't it?